Most students think success comes from studying for hours. But what if I told you the top 1% of students don't study more? They study smarter. Let's meet our stick figure. Focus. Focus doesn't spend all night with books. Instead, he studies less, but scores higher. How? Let's find out. Focus once believed the harder he studied, the better his grades would be. So he pushed himself. Long hours, late nights, and endless cups of coffee. But during exams, he forgot most of what he read. He wasn't lazy. He was just using the wrong strategy. You see, your brain doesn't reward time. It rewards method. And that's where most students fail. They think effort alone equals success. But in reality, it's the system that shapes results. One day, Focus discovered something called the focus block rule. He studied for just 25 minutes with deep attention. No phone, no distractions. And then took a short 5-minute break. It felt strange at first, but soon he noticed something powerful. He remembered more, understood better, and felt less stressed. That's when he realized it's not about how long you study. It's about how well your mind absorbs information. So here's Focus's 3-step formula to study less and achieve more. 1. Understand, don't memorize. When you explain something in your own words, your brain locks it in deeply. 2. Use spaced repetition. Review your notes after 1 day, 3 days, and 7 days, and your memory will multiply without extra effort. 3. Take smart breaks. A tired mind remembers nothing. A rested one learns fast and stays sharp. Every top student secretly uses these habits. The difference is, they practice consistency, not intensity. So next time, don't brag about how long you studied. Brag about how well you understood. Because in the real world, grades follow clarity, not chaos. Our stick figure Focus learned this lesson, and now, studying less gives him more freedom, more clarity, and better results. You can do it too. Start today. Study smart, rest well, and make your brain your superpower.